Me. Me. This a girl here, what me couldn't want set me up? And me don't want to talk about what me expecting a man. Man, make them come for me, Bless up on a nice clean self, people. I love you know. Enough love. And thank you for give me the topic for talk about. So, come and talk about this, Let me know how you feel. Drop it in the comment section. If what me say or what me I go say about, meeting my partner or meeting your partner, whichever way you want to put it. But when me look for in a man, this is me. You know, have to be you. So, me I gotta tell you what me look for in a man. Alright? When me I meet somebody. Alright, so my friends them know me and them know say me outspoken and we talk things. We talk the things them. So them give me a one topic every now and then for talk about. Alright, so when me young, it's different when me young because you're not aware of certain things, so your head light. But when you're grown, me keep on I say you, but me what is that? Yeah, me grown, so me aware, and you've been in a certain situation. Sometimes you have to buck your foot, and sometimes buck your foot 10 times too before you really get the understanding of what you really need to do, or you need to go about it, or you need to fix it. So sometimes even in your own children, them you don't want them buck them too, but you want to guide them the best of your best of your ability, the best of your ability as a mother. You want to guide them through it, but you really can't make them choice and them decision, and whatever them do out there, no matter how well you raise your kids, you don't know what they're doing or what they might accept or whatever. So I'm just saying, when me look for in a man, loyalty is not just the word loyalty, is actions. And actions speak louder than words. That was something my grandmother always say, And the proof of the pudding is in the eating. So you want to make sure, say, when you meet that person there, you're aware of where you get yourself in. When me young, as me said before, me not aware, me not understand. Enough of the terms them and the little quote them when my grandmother or if elderly them around me would have say. We never understand them. So even when them talk, you have your own expectation where you are, you don't know where you are look, but you are get yourself in a things where you don't even know where you get yourself in. But when you're grown and you're mature, you tend to make better choice. If you constantly make the same choice over and over up to 10 times, then you now learn and you keep going back into the same, you stay in that one way forever. So you have to snap out of them something there. Alright. So as I said, loyalty. The things that when me look for in a man is that one of my main thing. You see, me never used to talk much. And when me meet my partner, I'ma find out how much him listen to me. When me in my frustration, when me want to talk to somebody, and how him listen and the response that him give me, it's remarkable. That was one of my main reasons why I fall in love with my husband. Comparing to the other relationship. Then when I say, every day you get up and you talk foolishness. One of the worst thing for me, fear go through something in my life or or feel certain things because of something what you do, and me want to talk to you about it and you are give me attitude put upon it. That frustrate me. That frustrate me bad. Like especially if you do something and you don't have the ability to talk to me about it, that just gonna make me grow bitterness inside of me feel. So when you listen to me, it's the key for me. Just listen to me. And I always say, I want you to tell me the truth. The truth hurt. So if you do something out there where you say it's gonna hurt me, if you want to live with yourself by telling me a lie, as long as me don't find out, that's alright for me too. it lets me know it's the better for me. That's why I not dig. I not search man things. I not search man phone. Your privacy and your privacy, my privacy and my privacy, and it better that way. Because me might go in on your phone and read something and see something, and it trigger me off when I not saw it go. So I stay out of people's privacy. No matter how close me be, me not have to go in on your phone. That is something what me not do. Alright, so go back on the topic, because me not ram for straight on the point, you know. Make you know that. Tell them that all the time. Me not ram for straight on the point. So when me can do things with my partner, or me being around him for hours and days, and we not get fed up and frustrated at each other, we talk on the phone. So for instance, say when we're not into each other yet, but when you just meet somebody and we can talk on the phone and have a communication on the phone, which is vice versa, the same thing, you listen. You know, so either way, whether you're with the person or you're not with the person yet, these are things that you look for. These are things that I look for. You know, being around each other and not get fed up at each other and stuff like that. Like, you can't get enough of your partner, whether you've been with them or you don't be with them yet. But as long as you are in communication with that person and you've been seeing that person by even just dating, and you realize, oh, I'm with this, I'm around this person, and it's like you just feel like you can't get enough of that person. But before you reach this, so you want to look for the red flags. These are things women never ever did want in a man. You know, from me young, I don't like when a man smoke. I don't like when a man go a rum bar, go drink. I'm not gonna say you can't drink, but if you have your little drink here and there, that is fine. That is not. But when you go a rum bar, go drink it out with your friends, drink out your money with your friends, them, that is no form of success. You know, we can't build on that, because you go constantly go a rum bar, you and your friend them a drink out all of your little money. You know, that not right. And come in drunk and act certain way. Me not accept them something there. The another thing is gamble. The another thing is you have some man or woman, and this topic is really not for man or woman. This is me. But vice versa. If you out there and whatever and you look into them something here, you know. Me never want a man who gamble every day, gone by gambling every day. If you buy lotto or them something there and try a chance to win, that is a total different thing. But you're not gonna buy it every day. No. But you're gonna buy it one time. Every now it pop up in your head and say, you know, I'm gonna buy them number here. Oh, I'm hungry. Let me use them one, don't have them up in the camera. So them something there, you know. Me not want. I always never want them things there. Them something they not involved in my life, because me see and grew up where it's like I was out of it when it come on to my grandfather smoking, and when he used to send me go buy a cigarette, like it was frustrated. And my father come and give me $10. Them time the $10 whole heap of money, and him borrow it and him not give me back. My father come back again, give me $5, him borrow it, buy a cigarette, and him not give me it back. Them something that like it just, I mean, not like smell it. I mean, not like smell it, period. I mean, not like, worst thing for me, for even come up in your face and I'll give you a kiss and smell that pan you. It's like, I feel like my breath go stop. So I not like it, period. And kudos to anybody who do, but that's not my thing. Alright. So, as I say, you see how the person care for you, because this is another thing. If you can feel certain way, you live with this person now, me are going a living situation. You live with this person and it is okay for them to, if you don't feel well, they make you a cup of tea. They checked on you all the time and make sure that you are okay because you're not feeling well. If they are not at home or they're at work, they call you and them check up on you and find out if you are okay. The caring part of it, look for these kind of stuff in a somebody, because if you get with this person, you're married to them, you want to make sure, but okay. Oh, I'm so hungry. I need breakfast. You want to make sure, say, that person where you're going to spend the rest of your life with, if you get down in a situation when you get older, you want to make sure, say, that person is there and they will treat you right, same way. vice versa, I will do the same. You know, meet me 50-50, you know. And it's not a matter of 50-50, but it's because of how you pursue the person and how the person love you, and when you give, you'd love to receive it back, because you can't just like give. Some people I give 80 and some I give 20, some people I give 90, some I give 10. And me not believe, because as much as Omi is such a loving and caring person, me will drop my guard because me feel like say you drain me. And it is not like say it is fake, but it is real. But me would have focused more on the fact that me I got drain all the time and I give it to you, but and you're not showing me nothing. That will make me put up a guard. And even though it kill me because me not show me affection, it's hard for me give it to you if you cannot show me affection. So it's hard because me tell my mind say me not pour out my all on somebody, and it's not something you play with. Love is not something you play with. And yeah, people might say, if you love the person, then you're gonna do it whether or not. Yeah, but it a go drain you. Eventually, time and time will come where it is going to drain you. So put the effort in where you would like to achieve. You know, if me I give you, and constantly I give you, I'm not getting it back, or I'm not getting nothing in return, would it make sense? Would it make sense? Tell me. So these are things that me look for. You know, sometimes me I go to the supermarket and me will say, you know, my husband, or, you know, in that come and him carry the bag, or why be I so? And this video now edit. A straight same way to go now go watch me again. Yeah, so you know, him there supermarket, me and him go to supermarket and him carry the bag, and them look at something there, you know, it's just refreshing to see. And a ladies gentleman. I feel like hearing on my mouth soon. Me not wash me hair. So that's fine. Yeah, so at the end of the day, yeah, look for quality. Yeah, look for your person. And if that's the person you're gonna spend the rest of your life with, then that's the person you want it to be. You want to make sure, say, you can cope with this person. When you live with somebody, my grandmother used to say, see me and live with me are two different things. When you live with somebody, that's when you know most of them flaws. And sometimes you will be with somebody for years and you don't know them. You really don't know them inside and out. You don't know them for 10, 15, 20 years. You don't know who them be. And you can maybe if you don't live together, it's even worse. You're not gonna know who them be, because people have good side and bad side to them. This is humanity, you know. So you want to look for me would advise somebody, if you just know what them expect from somebody, know what them want for themselves, so them can, when they meet that person, them can not say that person they are not my person, because me already see some of the red flags them where them have, and me not want that. And you have to set up your mind, know your mindset of what you want, and don't settle for less than what you want. And that is my view on it. You know, it don't have to be your view, but that are my view. You know, you might build with somebody for 20 years or 10 years, but then one of the flaws then where you say you never want with from your person, you find out say your partner develop one of those things. And it hurts. It hurts, and it can cause breakup because it's something that you never wanted. It might cause breakup because it's something that you never wanted to do or to settle with. But you can work out a way where if you can, you know how to operate and settle things and talk to each other about it and try to help them to overcome it, because you've been with this person for so long and them have so many good ways. So you try to work around it. But if you know so them have it from the beginning, nobody go second for it. That's how me look on it. You know, it's up to you to do what you want. Me just say, this is my view on it. But anyways, guys, I'm not gonna make the video too long. I still have a whole lot more, but you know, I don't remember everything off of my head. But quality is what me look for. Me like man who dress nice and look decent and them pants on they all the way down and them under them bottom. Me like them put up them pants on them waist and drop them belt, and you know, everybody different. Everybody go for different kind of guys. Me just to tell you what me go for. And that was always me, because I have kids and I always want my kids them to respect my partner. And if me take up a certain quality kind of guys, then that can, you know, reflect in a different way. My son, I have one son and him don't smoke. If him father smoke, me don't know of it, but me know when me know him never used to smoke. So I don't know if him smoke now. People change from time to time. So at the end of the day, it is what it is, and it's all about what you want and what you can cope with and what you can settle with. I mean, majority of the people in the world drink and smoke and whatever. But me just a say, you see me, my happiness come first. I'm always say, me rather be alone than be unhappy. And if me unhappy, might as well me go stay by myself, because a man, me always think like this. You know, me know my self-worth, and a man don't complete me. Me always, I don't know. But you want to be loved and treated with respect and dignity. But me try my best to love myself first. I don't know if that makes sense to you. Me try my best to love myself first. Think about my health. Think about my health. You know, because that come first. Anyway, guys, if you don't like the video, leave a thumbs up. You can inbox me on my page. This is the same as my Instagram, Dana B Life. You can inbox me on Instagram if you don't want me to talk about something, because some people really not like if you put it in the comment section, and they will reach out to me on my social media page. So bless up on a nice clean self. My love you. Take care. Thank you for the support. God bless you. Don't forget to like the video and share it and tell a friend and tell a friend. Love you guys. Not enjoy the video too long because it's hard for upload. Adios. Bye bye. Love. Peace.